Welcome to the world premiere of the great eCourse adventure. I'm Bradley Morris.
And I'm Andy Fries. And here we are at 30,000 feet, marveling over the peak of Launch Summit.
Which is where you'll end up when you've created the greatest eCourse you can possibly imagine and you're ready to launch it into the world.
But before we get into that, enjoy this exclusive mountaintop screening so you can get a sneak peek of what this wild journey is all about.
And be sure to stick around afterwards because we'll be giving you your next steps on how to begin your ascent.
In a virtual landscape flooded with overpriced e-courses, and marketers scheming to flush you down their sales funnel, a group of creative freedom seekers are setting out to change the world of online courses forever. Following the guidance of their eCourse adventure guides, a trusty adventure map, and a series of extraordinary video lessons, they will embark on a journey through a strange land filled with mystical creatures, wild characters, and excitement in every step. Claim your Launch Summit Trial Pass today and create the greatest eCourse you can possibly imagine.
Join us for the great eCourse adventure. All right. Well, since you're still here, then you must be like us, and you're ready for a new kind of media experience.
So go ahead and click the trail sign below, and we'll show you how to create the greatest eCourse that you can possibly imagine.
Man, I love this
I
trailer.
know, it's just so great.